Boom shakalaka, with record uncertainty surrounding Binance. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what could happen if Binance collapses and what could happen if it doesn't. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including what's going on with this record uncertainty. Is it the end or is it just the beginning? Before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Today, fear and greed actually jumped up to 29 from 26. Quite surprising considering the price went down 0.5%. Bitcoin at 16,732, Ethereum at 1181, BNB at 246, XRP 34 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Cardano 26 cents, and Polygon 80 cents. And Bitcoin right now sitting in this wedge within this greater descending wedge. Now, if we take a look at this right now, we're batting up against the support line for that wedge. If we break out of there, we could see Bitcoin price falling off precipitously down to some lower levels, as we were just recently rejected from the June lows, that pink line right there. And there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, particularly stuff like this. Jim Cramer saying, within 2 days of each other, do you feel as reassured by Binance as I am on the 14th of December? And then 2 days later, I would trust my money more in DraftKings than I would Binance. So clearly not very, doesn't really believe in Binance right there. But Stock Money Lizard is saying if Binance doesn't blow up, we won't likely see lower prices. This bear market feels ripe enough. If we take a look, we can see as these signals, these ribbons get smaller and smaller, as they are starting to do right here, generally the bottom is in. Now, we have had similarly 86% drawdown, 83% drawdown, 77% drawdown. Not the same as previously, but pretty close. A lot of people talking about recession coming in the near future. Could this time be different than the others? Certainly could, but there's no reason to think that it will be. As a matter of fact, right now we have coming up this yellow line about to cross the blue line right there, the 20 and 50 MA crosses. If we take a look at historically times that these have crossed, on average, the pump is 299%. Now, that attributes for pumps in bull markets and bear markets. Of ones that only occurred in bear markets, still a 21% pump, which would put Bitcoin roughly at about $20,800. That would be a very nice pump. However, if that does happen, that may actually be bad news based on this, how we have breakdown, ascending wedge, breakdown, ascending wedge, breakdown once again. If Bitcoin does make its way up to around $20,000, which is this red mark right here, well, we could historically see, based on this, see just another massive drawdown. Maybe that might be the Binance collapse if it's going to happen. But enough bad news here for those of you who actually made it through 4 minutes in the video. Good news for the rest of the video. The signs of the times. According to this indicator, Bitcoin is already in the accumulation period and bear market is coming to an end. So we can see this BM, and that's not bowel movement, even though the bear market does feel very similar to a BM. Well, when this purple starts to go away, then we're in accumulation phase right before the green phase, parabolic run-up. So once the BM disappears, we're in the A, and then we can go up. Well, BM is disappearing right now. We are almost in the A accumulation period before price goes up. Not only that, if we take a look at bi-monthly candles, these are 2-month candles you can see up here on the top left. Bitcoin bi-monthly hike in a sheet demonstrates 6 consecutive red candles to compete the bear market. After the 6th candle in 2015 and 2019, Bitcoin followed a huge rally as shown in the chart. You can see after the 6th candle, boom, massive rally. After the 6th candle, massive rally. Well, we're at the 6th candle right now. Might we have that massive rally? We certainly might. Comparing this to the previous 3 big bear markets. The timing to the bottom, same as in 2019. Prolonged overall sold RSI period, same as 2015. Bear market may continue for a while, but doubt the prices will go much deeper. Now, with everybody doubting the prices are going much deeper, does that mean they will go much deeper? Gosh, hope not. Fingers crossed right here. This indicator, the demarker right here, has perfectly predicted every top and bottom on the Bitcoin monthly chart. When it is in this red, it predicts the tops. When it is in this green, it predicts the bottoms. We are in the green right now. How much longer we'll stay in the green? Who knows? Will we go lower than the green? Possibly, but historically, this has marked the bottoms for Bitcoin. As we have seen recently, thanks to TechDev, Bitcoin is actually closer related to the Chinese 10-year yields than anything else. And the inflection at cycle lows right now, you can see this green at cycle lows right now. Dow Jones back in macro channel after deviation. You can see this right here with a trend line break and 200-day moving average breadth over 50%. You can see right down here the breadth over 50%. Now, the last time that happened, look at what happened with Bitcoin price when we had the Chinese 10-year inflection at cycle lows, the green right here, coinciding with the breadth right there. Look what happened to Bitcoin price. Record rally. You guys, I wasn't there then, but maybe some of you guys remember that when Bitcoin went from like $200 to $20,000. Well, potentially we might have another record thing. Your call on the probability and risk reward implications for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, which leaves us with the safest bet on if you want to know, should you go all in 100x long? Clearly the answer is yes immediately. That's no. But if you want to know the safest time to do it, use the Bollinger Awesome Alert. How do we get a confirmation for the next bull run that Bitcoin can start? Use the Bollinger Awesome Alert. In the past, you can make the following profits with it. 2015 to 2017, you would have made 6,300%. 2019, 2021, you would have made 1,200%. Buying at the confirmation when Bitcoin passes through this red line right here, the Bollinger Awesome Alert. Currently, that line is at $28,000. So if you want to know when is the time to buy, that would most certainly be it. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.